Hello everyone, in today's news, a Tokyo-based cryptocurrency exchange called Coindesk confirmed that it suffered the biggest hack in the history of technology. The estimated loss is at 58 billion yen, which is approximately 533 million US dollars. According to tweets by Nikkei, the precise amount stolen will not be fully known until further checks into Coindesk's digital wallets are carried out. The amount stolen here is much bigger than the amount stolen from Mt. Gox in 2014, which was around $340 million. Coindesk has frozen deposits, trading, and withdrawals on all coins except Bitcoin. Earlier today, they released their compensation policy for customers whose funds were stolen. They will repay about 88 Japanese yen, or 81 cents per stolen coin, out of their own pocket. "We know where the funds were sent," said Mr. Otsuka. "We are tracing them, and if we are able to continue tracking, it may be possible to recover them." They've also reported the incident to the police and Japan's Financial Service Agency. Some of the affected cryptocurrencies, whose prices fell after the hack, were Bitcoin, NEM, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Neo, and Stellar. Hopefully in the coming days, Coindesk will be able to release more information on the heist and will be able to repay their users. Thank you for tuning into the second episode of Daily Crypto News. Please comment down below what you think of this new format. Thank you.